Chef Buck here, and today we're going to cook up my favorite Brussels sprouts recipe. You know, I've been cooking this thing for years and hardly ever changed it up because it's just perfect. You know, you get 1.5 pounds of Brussels sprouts. They're like little teeny weeny cabbages. We're going to lop off the end, you know, peel away any of the leaves that just come off there. If any of them are discolored, you can pull them off there. And then we're going to slice them in half. You know, we want the sizes to be kind of uniform. If you've got some super duper large ones, you know, you can cut them into thirds or quarters. And if some of the leaves fall off when you put them in a bowl, that's alright. We can use it. Don't worry about it. Then we're going to get a medium-sized lemon and zest the whole thing and mince that zest up. We want a lot of zest because that's going to add a lot of zing to this dish. Then go ahead and squeeze all the juice out of here. We're going to end up with a bunch of zest and about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then heat you up 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil on a high heat. You want it on a high so that when you throw those sprouts in there, they start to sizzle and pop right away because we want to get a nice seared edge on these Brussels sprouts. So let them sit. You know, sear on that side there, then go ahead and stir them up and let them sit some more, and do this for about 4 or 5 minutes till you get some color on your Brussels sprouts. We'll throw in our onion and our garlic, and we're going to continue searing up these ingredients on high heat because that's going to add a lot of flavor. Then we'll go ahead and reduce the heat, you know, down to medium. Throw in 1/2 cup of water, a little bit of seasoning, just some salt and pepper. You know, you can throw in some cayenne pepper if you want a little heat there. Go ahead and stir those seasonings in. Throw a lid on your skillet, and then we'll let it cook away, you know, for about 4 or 5 minutes. And that's all it's going to take because you don't want to overcook these vegetables. You know, you don't want them to get soft and mushy. Turn your heat off, throw your zest in there and your lemon juice, get it all stirred up, and that's it, man. You can go ahead and serve it. The absolute best way to eat Brussels sprouts. Go ahead and give this recipe a try, and don't be afraid of the Brussels sprouts because they're your friend, man.